Hi, my name is Coach Moxie. A quick intro. I am here to help you win. Now, and of course, the ideas I share, the strategies I share, you probably have 1,000 different alternatives to it, right? And you probably have better solutions than I'm suggesting. Regardless, you don't have my results. I get, and if you do, congratulations. If you did it in a different way, congratulations equally. But if you don't, you probably need to put your head down and listen to what I have to say, right? This is meticulously recorded progress that I was doing because I knew I will attract you at some point, and you will need as much advantage as I have enjoyed building this. I get in it. So get down to business, drive yourself through it, learn, and learn. You have everything to gain and nothing to lose. I'm always open for questions. You can email me or reach out to me on any of the contacts I'll put on the screen. I have your best interest. I hope that you work with me so we can make this world better. Thank you. Oh my God. Hi, my name is Coach Moxie. Welcome to another topic on our curriculum, research and development. I'm not going to spend too much time on this particular one. By now, you should know that knowledge is everything. See, let me tell you why you should spend time doing research, learning what works, understanding how to give yourself advantage and all of that is because competition is fierce. Competition is fierce. This is no moi. You're looking at a platform that is competing with Canva. And Canva already seems like it has some of the best designers. Bullshit. Are you getting it? Real bullshit. It's just that they are doing exactly the things I'm telling you. That's why it looks like they have the best. Are you getting it? Bullshit. That's number one. And the way they are operating tells you that they look at what they are doing as if they own a store, because they do. It is what it is. They are not selling design to Canva. Are you getting it? Because that's not what is happening. Right? So that's that. The second thing is that because of the fierce competition, you need an edge. You need edge. If these things you are doing now is what every other thing is doing, so what is making you special one? What is the extra miles one? What will give you a sizable portion of the 750,000 customization? Some of you in a whole month, you only have like 200 uses of your template. 200 out of 750,000 customization. Come on now. That means you're not even biting any shit in that whole term. You're not even dipped your leg in the pie itself. You've not even gotten a fraction. Like, you've not even started chewing from the pie. Use it. So read now. Look at people who are successful in some other area and they apply what they are doing. Read books. See, I'm reading books, so I'm not just doing this thing. I open business books, so I read. In fact, I read novels too. Why? Because what I'm doing currently, what I'm building is a creative. It's all about creativity, right? And nothing expands your mind, your ability to imagine, like reading intelligent novels, not romantic. I'm talking about intelligent novels, right? Like reading spy and investigation and thriller and all of that. It pops your mind open. You think. Because you have to follow the story intelligently. I get it. Read, study, ask questions, go and find answer. Write down some of the questions that are nagging at you and do research. Like comb the nets, find answer. What you are looking for is an edge. I am constantly looking for an edge. I'm constantly asking, what is these people doing? How can I incorporate it into what I'm doing? Why are they doing it this way? Can I do it this way and that way? Find edge. 750,000. You get? I've not even started biting that pie. There is someone in this platform that is earning. Like, I even saw a video. There was one video I saw when I was still doing the research to see if being on the platform was worth it. And I found one video. The guy was making withdrawal every month, just $350, $100, $250, $500. And I said, wow, the guy must be doing something right. But it was not the one that directly did the video. Somebody, an influencer, used this. All these influencers and teaching what they don't do. Are you getting it? But it was fine. It was research, and I saw for myself as somebody was winning. But that's what actually cemented my foot on PosterMyWall. I do research. I don't just stumble into things. I don't hope things work out. I'm looking for an edge. I don't know whether my default tendency to look for an edge comes from the fact that I came from serious poverty. And when you come from serious poverty, you are already edgeless. Jesus. Like you are already very edgeless. You don't even have some like factory fitted edge. You have to start. Like, after you finally convince yourself, it will take time. When you now finally convince yourself that there is a chance for you in this life to win, there is success, that you're not a nobody, which will take time. But after you finally convince yourself that you're not a nobody, then you will now start doing the research to find why you are not a nobody. And then looking for edge that gives you an advantage. I'm telling you. Do research, comb Pinterest, find out what is working, comb resources, and borrow not a few. I'm telling you, get smart, get intelligent. There's no entitlement mentality here. You guys have become very entitled in this. That's why many people are not cut out for owning business. That's why they just end up working for somebody, because a lot of entitlement, and you want to build a business. My God, I'm very good. My God, it's well. I said this one will be short, and it is.